Hey Mithil, I'm keep hearing about digital marketing. What's the big deal about it?
It's a huge deal. Digital marketing is basically marketing through internet. Traditionally, companies used to market through posters on walls or even pillars, right? Or they even had TV ads where they hired actors or big brand ambassadors for advertising their product. But nowadays, what companies are doing is that they utilize social media apps or your website to advertise their product and services.
Oh, just like Instagram and YouTube ad and all.
Exactly, like Instagram or even YouTube, they actually have like you probably have seen like reel ads, right? They utilize these apps to post their reels of advertising those products, or even there are some ads that pop up just before you watch a YouTube video, right? They use one of those things, those ads that they advertise their product. They're basically fighting for the attention of their consumers on these apps.
How does it actually work?
So there are a bunch of ways. One of the ways is SEO, which basically stands for search engine optimization. What this does is basically when you look for certain things like on Google, for example, you're looking for like shoes or something like that. So what this does is when you look up those things on Google, SEO gets the website that's selling those shoes for the first thing on the web page when you're looking for it.
Oh, that's why when I search best pizza nearby me and Domino's magically appear first.
Exactly, SEO, that's SEO at work. But there are other ways that company can utilize to advertise these products. One of the ways is like they have certain people writing content or even post on like social medias like Twitter. But they can also hire certain individuals like influencers to review their product or even advertise their product on their platforms.
Oh, so random influencers say this product changed my life or something. It is a part of that.
Exactly. Sometimes it's quite obvious, like you said, but sometimes it can be quite sneaky, but it's very effective.
So I learned digital marketing. I could work on that field.
You should definitely look into this because it's one of the highest growing industry, and it has quite a lot of jobs and positions like management of social media, management of advertisements. Like we discussed before, they hire influencers, right? So you have to manage these people as well, so they can actually advertise the products correctly and the services correctly.
But what is the benefit of digital marketing over traditional market?
So what that thing is that traditional marketing actually has certain weaknesses that digital marketing tackles. Like weaknesses like traditional marketing has a lot lower reach because they use posters, so they have to go local, right? Or even TV ads, but not everyone has TVs nowadays. And what used to happen in traditional marketing is that they didn't have precise marketing. Sometimes what happens was people who weren't needing the products, but they got advertisement for it anyways. They didn't need it, right? But what digital marketing does is like it has a wider reach because it uses internet. Internet connects every place and every people, right?
Yes.
But also another thing digital marketing has is precise advertisement. What it does is like if you're looking for something, like you looked for pizza, right?
Yes.
And Domino's showed up. That's an example of precise advertisement where you looked for something and it came to you, the right product.
You mean big deal, small budget?
Exactly, smaller budget but bigger audience. This is the future of advertisement. Digital marketing is the new era, my friend.
Okay.